Good morning, everyone. Good morning, teacher. Oh, good. How are you today? Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, good. What day is it today? Does anybody know? What day is it today?
Sunny.
Oh, no. Is it Monday or Tuesday? It's Wednesday, I think. Yes. Good. What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? It's sunny and hot. Okay. Right. Are you ready to learn some English?
Yes.
Would you like to sing a song?
Yes.
Okay. Good job. Right. Everybody stand up. We're going to do a couple of songs. I want to hear lots of good singing and lots of good dancing. Okay. Let's go.
Come in, please.
Oh, great singing, everyone. Nice dancing. Okay, let's try another song. Next one. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay, good job. A bit louder. Good job, everyone. Okay, good. Right, everybody, you've done so much singing and dancing. You sit down and we're going to learn some new letters today. Right, take a seat. Thank you. Okay, we've got 3 new letters and then we finish the alphabet. Wow, good job. Okay. Right, first job. First letter today is dun, 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 dun. This one. Okay, everyone together. X. X.
X.
Do you know the sound of X? X. 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 X, 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 X. Okay, good. Next one. Now, who knows this one? Oh, yes, very good. Well done. Y, yeah, yeah, yeah. Y, yeah, yeah, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, good. Next one. Last letter of the alphabet. Oh, yes, this guy, John, knows it over here. Well done. Good job. Z, 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 Z.
Z, Z, Z.
Or for me, Z. That's okay. You can say Z. I'll let you off. Right. Z, 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 Z. Okay, we're going to practice big letters, small letters all together. X, Y, Z, blah, 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 blah. Right. Next time. Next job, we're going to do pass the card. So you need to say it to the person next to you. Okay. Oh, hi, Susie. Okay, you can start off. Y, yeah, yeah, yeah. Y, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ding. Y, yeah, yeah. X, X. Okay, good. Right, we pass them all around. Let me see who's been paying attention. If you get the answer right, maybe I'll give you a sticker. I've got some special stickers here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let me see. Jack. What's this one? Oh, great job. Okay, come to the front, get a sticker. Ka-ching. Next one. Jenny. What's this one? One more time, I can't hear you. Great job, Jenny. Come to the front. Okay, you can have a sticker. One more. Daniel. Daniel says, Daniel, well done, you've been listening. Okay, good job, everybody. Good work. Right, next job is, we're going to do a bit more of our reading, making some words. Right, let's have a look. I. Yim.
Yim.
Oh, well done. Right, go together. Yim.
Yim.
What was this one again?
Box.
But ox, box. What's this one? Yim. Okay, one more. We're going to do one with Z. Dun, dun, dun. Ah, good. Z, 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 oh, zog. Okay, zog, and let's do the last one. What else do we do? Zip. Zip. Okay. Zip. Oh, well done. Okay. Right, do a few more of these. Maybe even write a sentence. Blah, 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 blah. Right, next one. Okay, good job everyone. Right, I think we're going to open our books. So, open your book. Teacher Tina is going to show you the story.
Okay everyone, I'll show you the story, and after the story we need to do some work here.
Today is Sports Day. Everyone is excited.
Good morning.
Good morning. Hi, Foxy. How are you? Hello, Zebra. I'm nervous. Are you ready for Sports Day? Don't worry. It'll be fun.
Yeah, don't worry. We'll play some fun games. Okay, do you like this story?
Yes.
Good job. And here I need you to do circle and say the letters big X, little x, big Y, little y. Look for it here in this picture and circle it. Like here is the Y, little y,
Little one.
little y, and big, little y, and Z. Okay, 1 minute for you.
Okay. Circle the letters. And we've heard the story. Right, I think we'll do some work. Do some listening.
Listen. Please turn to workbook page 22. Listen carefully and circle it. You have to find out the big letter, big X, or little x. Be careful to the big one or the little one. Listen. Go.
Part A. Listen and circle.
仔细听，选出正确的大写或小写字母。
Number 1. Big X.
Big X.
Okay, for number 1, you hear big X, so you circle big X. And get ready for number 2. Ready? Go.
Number 2. Little Y.
Little Y.
Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Well done, everybody. Okay, then we're going to check your work. Ah, good job, Mickey. Good job. Bingo. Good job.
Iris?
Somebody? Yeah. Good. Okay, well done, everybody. Okay, finish. Right. Ah, you've all been so good. You can close your books. That's it. Close your book. Put your books away. Hey, Mickey Mouse over here. Put your book away. Thank you. Okay, good. Yeah, right. We're going to finish off with a game. Who wants to play a game? Okay. We have 2 teams. 1 team here, 1 team here. You need to look for the big X, big Y, little y, big Z, little Z, and you're going to bash them on our computer. Right, first 2 people, John and Susie, have you come? David and Catherine, you're next. Yeah, Jenna. Yeah, just showed you that wasn't usually. Great job, everyone. Right. Time's almost up, so I'm going to tell you what you need to do for your homework. You need to take your writing book, and today we're going to just do the X's. Big X, little x. Remember your lines in the book and make it beautiful. Can you think of any X words you can write at the bottom? Okay, good job. Hand it in tomorrow. And right, let's say goodbye, everyone. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
See you next time. And that will be good.